The Voice of the People's Party (VPP) held a meeting on the 12th of December 2024 in Madan Smith, where they publicly announced the list of candidates from East Kasial's district for the upcoming MDC elections in 2025. A total of 17 candidates have been selected to contest the KHADC elections scheduled for March next year. The meeting was attended by VPP President Arden M. Basayomoy, Party MLAs Bright Starwell Marbanyang and Hivingstone Kharpran, along with members of the State Election Committee, party leaders, workers and supporters.
Nemeta apreng ke jingsaat ke jong kasngi kumni yo banisham bapi ki padba ki ba ki balong ke nonggershan ke jong ka Voice of the People Party ban pin itu hakmat jongpi bat banwanra yakini ki kertong ki baka party kala ibet ban pin itu yaledi kini kita ki kertong ki bala ai ya kata rai ke jongki bagin mi syahmat ban syakri ya upatba hagi constituency ki baki gidan leng baga Voice of the People Party bada kata nongrim ka scam baga taka thong ka bangingi don kamdei ka basuk ban syakri patba kalong ka bae ngasngau ngi ban aingo yu blei ubala penki ka mensim jong kini ki kertong ki bangingi la pen itu Ahmad jongpi bagin mi syahmat ban terwai ladi bangini kit lingkorlem yagari baga judgment riu baga jelahi brokoi ling baga Voice of the People Party kibla jiru ban pendam meladi hapo ka jingpunia jongka party haki nongrim jongka party kabangi tipshai baga VPP lani ka Voice of the People Party kalong setang maka ka jingkermen ya ka judgment riu badi ka jela ka be ka jini kalong ga sni sa jingkan ma ni jukren na ka por shakapor baga Voice of the People Party kari ka taka seng san perthai ka ba compare nagi wei pat ki seng san perthai nadu ka sni ka bangi la seng ni klem buri banya thu yaki patba bai baga Voice of the People Party is a party with a difference kari ka party ka bai pair naki wei pat ni snotanat bagi yo ban wan hang ni biang sai sin ban pen i ya kata ka jimper ka jongi kum ka party